This motor, I ended up paying $1,000 for the 6.0 and the 4L80 transmission. It was a combo. I got it off of a guy over there in Manville, Texas. He posted it on Facebook. This guy just posted a 6.0 for sale with a 4L80 transmission. He wanted like $1,200. We offered him $1,000 and he took it, and I went to go pick it right up. Like, luego me lancé con la troca. Como pueden ver, atrás de mí está la 1992 Chevrolet Silverado. The truck is ready to be turned on. I will be posting a video very soon of it being turned on for the first time. This video was the preparation of the engine, getting everything put together, getting everything ready. Pero esta troca ya tiene su nuevo motor. Y en el siguiente video, in the next video, this truck will be turned on for the very first time. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. When you subscribe, you are able to see more of my videos whenever I post. When you like, you're able to show me that you want to see more videos, that you actually like the videos. And when you comment, you get to interact with me, and I'm able to see your comments and reply. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, sticking throughout the whole video and watching the preparation of this beautiful beast, this engine being built. It's gonna be a complete monster. It's gonna be a beast of a truck. So yeah, do all that good stuff and make sure you go and cop some of that Progresando merch. I already know, para que sigan progresando. Toda la raza, todos los que soportan, everybody that supports. Make sure you cop some merch at alexfromtheH.com. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to smile, do what you love, and appreciate what you have. This has been Alex from the H, and I'm out. Peace. Go shop at alexfromtheH.com.
Bruto cocheando,